went away. Haven't changed, had much to say.
Hey guys and gals, it's Teddy here at the digital showroom at Spinworks. Got a 2018 Ultra. This is going to be, well, they don't call it the Ultra for nothing. It's going to be one of the apex bikes for Harley, and it's a flagship motorcycle. This is going to be one of the most desired bikes that Harley's ever made. And there's a lot of reasons why. Let's start out with the basics and we'll move on through this one. As it sits right now, we're at 31,170. So middle of the road on the miles, not high, not low. And this bike is well maintained. We know this bike. We have a service record on this one for about the past 5 or 6 years. And we know this bike, we've serviced this bike. So it's an old friend. Anyways, up front, let's check it out. This beautiful champagne color. I hope the camera's picking up. It's more of like a champagne more than a silver. So like a tan silvery, beautiful color, very unique. You're gonna have LED treatment on the front with your running lights and your main headlight. That's nice because you never ever have to replace a light bulb. It's a clearer, brighter light. If you haven't ridden with an LED light, 2 things. One, people are going to see you more easily, and you are going to see everything else more easily as well. It's a very bright, white, focused light. Just check out my hand right here, and you'll see, look how it's focused. You got a line right here, and then this bright, just beautiful white light, just safer every way you look about it. Gorgeous mag wheels on here, and they were meticulously kept. It's got a nice bumper on the front here with the Harley Davidson embossed in it. The windshield on here is done by Clockworks, and as a taller rider, I'm 6'5", this little kick right here that's kind of molded into the screen is a game changer. Clockworks has been making windshields for a long time. They came out with that kick in the screen, and what it does is it gives you a lower profile windshield that looks cooler. I mean, let's just face it, it looks cooler when they're lower profile, and it kicks the wind up so you can look good also while having the wind protection that you want. So your head can be here and the windshield's here with the Clockworks, and the wind will kick up and go up and over. If you've ever been on a touring bike with a shorter screen that doesn't have that kick to it, it's a vacuum pressure on your ears. It's painful, honestly. If you're getting up in the higher speeds, it can hurt your ears. With this, they're top notch. They're very nice. This is going to have speaker upgrades on here. You can see the tweeters in the middle, and of course the upgrades here. You're going to have speakers in the back as well. So great sound system on this. And this is going to have the new Milwaukee motor in here. That's going to be the M8 motor with the 6-speed transmission. In the back, sticking way out the back here, you're going to see 2 large, all chrome Reinhardt pipes. The sound test on this one is going to be very nice. The seats on here are done by Saddlemen. That's going to be the rider seat, the passenger. You're riding. Good information to know. Let's get over to the sound test. We're going to check out what this baby sounds like. Stay tuned. Here we go. All right, guys and gals, this is the sound test. It's going to be on a 2018 Ultra. It's going to have the Milwaukee motor in it with the dual Reinhardts. This does have the 6-speed. Quick mention on the 6-speed. If you haven't ridden a 6-speed Harley, brace yourself. It's the gear you've been looking for years, for one, but it's truly a reduction gear in RPM. So it's like an overdrive gear. You're on the highway, it will kick way down. This will cruise effortlessly at 80 miles an hour. It'll be purring. That's the gear we've all been looking for. If you're used to those older 5-speeds, that 6 gear is exactly what you've been looking for. This is an ice cold start, fuel injected. And let's see what these Reinhardts sound like. Here we go. It's a big motor. We're gonna let her warm up here for a second. A couple other cool mentions on here. You're gonna have, I believe on this is a storage unit here. Highway pegs up front, which are nice. That's gonna give you a little bit of added comfort. They do have awesome shocks on these as well, and they're chrome fork lowers on the front. That's about a $1,000 upgrade. The brakes on these are made by Brembo. That's going to be the #1 performance brake company in the world. All right, let's see how she sounds. Here we go. Good throttle response. No popping, very nice. Beautiful sound. Very nice. The bike is tuned very well. That exhaust, it's Reinhardt's. If you are unfamiliar with Reinhardt's, one of the best exhaust companies in the world for Harley. It's like peanut butter and jelly. They just go together. This bike is also ABS. So if you smash those brakes as hard as you can, it's going to roll safely to a stop. Excellent safety feature. It's a little weird to get used to at first. If you're used to the older style bikes without ABS, you'll hear and feel the ABS unit, but ultimately extremely safe. That's what we're all looking for, is to be safer while we ride. Phone number down here, 727-273-9500. That's not there just for any reason. We love talking about motorcycles. If I miss something on this gorgeous bike, you need a picture, a video, you need to see it moving, or if you're out of state, out of country, we're here to help you guys. So if you need any information on this bike, please call us. We also have email as well. That'll be in the link here. The bikes do come with a 30-day powertrain warranty. We go through a full 38-point inspection on this. We check fluids, brake fluid. We'll check for the moisture levels. We'll get into the primary, the trans, and the motor. New fluids there. We go through everything. We check all the safety recalls. Your safety is extremely important to us, and we want to make sure that we sell you a bike that is good and safe to ride and is going to give you lots of fun and take you on down the road safely. We also have warranties that can go out to 7 years, and we have some of the best financing available on the market. Thank you everybody for watching. As always, God bless and ride safe. Thank you.